Good afternoon. We're team number 4, composed by Georgina Piñeiro, Cristina Lerma, and Emmanuel Guerrero. And we're going to talk about the Internet of Things. Well, to begin with, broadband internet has become more widely available. The cost of connecting is decreasing, more devices are being created with Wi-Fi capabilities and sensors built into them. Technology costs are going down, and smartphone penetration is skyrocketing. All of these things are creating a perfect storm for the Internet of Things. So, what is the Internet of Things? Well, let's just simply put this in the concept of basically connecting any device with an on and off switch to the internet or to each other, which includes everything from cell phones, coffee makers, washing machines, headphones, lamps, wearable devices, and almost anything else you can think of. As I mentioned earlier, if it has an on and off switch, then chances are it can be a part of the Internet of Things. So, how does this impact you? The new rule for the future is going to be anything that can be connected will be connected. So, this brings a whole new fan of opportunities slash possibilities for society. Say, for example, you're on your way to a meeting, your car could have access to your calendar and already know the best route to take. If the traffic is heavy, your car might send a text to the other party, notifying them that you will be late. Or what if your alarm clock wakes you up at 6 a.m. and then notifies your coffee maker to start brewing coffee for you? Uh, Something else we could do is like on your office equipment, imagine they knew it was running low on supplies and automatically reordered more. The Internet of Things could also be found in your body. You have to remember to take your pills. Glow Caps fits prescription bottles, and via wireless chip provides services that help people stick with their prescription regimen, from reminder messages all the way to refill and doctor coordination. You could also track your activity levels using your smartphone's range of sensors, from the accelerometer to the GPS and connecting options like the cell phone data or Wi-Fi connection, Bluetooth, NFC, etc. You have a well-equipped Internet of Things device in your pocket that can automatically monitor your movements, location, and workouts throughout the day.
Well, I'm going to continue giving examples of what is Internet of the Things. And well, I'm still going to continue talking about Internet of Things in your body. There was an example of medications. These pills had a sensor that give you information about your stomach fluids and gives you like a signal and that determines the timing when you took your meds and identify that pill. This actually helps the doctors to give you information about how you're doing, what is your health information, and gives you like information like heart rate, body position, activity, and well, all that information is given to your current doctor, and it's like a tiny little patch that is on the top of your pill and gives all that information. We also can find Internet of Things in our own houses. There are the smart houses, and you can have these smart houses with different kind of applications. For example, there's Heat Your Home Efficiently. This is an application that is using smartphones, and it helps you to control the thermostat. And it uses sensors and gives you like the real-time weather and gives you the actual activity in your home during the day. And what this actually helps you to reduce your energy consume up to a 30%, and well, it also helps you to keep you comfortable and offer you to save more money and to reduce the payment of your bills. Also, another application that we can find in our houses is to make sure that the oven is off. This is an application that is called Wemo and allows you instantly to turn on or off your oven. And well, this basically helps you to save money, to conserve energy over the time, and to eliminate the standby power and the usage of any of those devices. And well, basically what this helps you is to know, well, to prevent like accidents. If anytime you leave the oven on. It helps you to reduce that kind of accidents. And well, basically that it's that kind of application that you can also find in your house. Also, there's another system you can have in your own house that is to keep your plants alive. And well, the system is called Harvest Keep, and it's with sensors and web connectivity to help you to save the time and resources by keeping your plants fed and their actual growing needs and conditions while automating most of these labor processes. For example, if you have a plant in your house with these sensors, they measure if they need like water or sun or something like that, and this basically helps you to keep your plants alive and gives you information about the plant, if the plant is growing fine, if actually the plant is, I don't know, dying or something like that, and it tells you all that information with this system. And finally, I'm going to talk about the Internet of Things in your city. Well, now we have a concept that is well known for everybody, that are the smart cities. And for example, we have this kind of application that is to keep the streets clean. This actually is like a cellular, is by a cellular communication for a smartphone, and is a belly trace that use real-time data collection to alert the municipal services when a bin needs to be empty. And well, this basically helps to reduce the number of pickups required and translates into fuel and financial savings for community service departments. So what this does is basically to reduce to reduce financial savings, and it actually helps a lot because, for example, the municipal services have like pickups twice a week, and instead of going like twice a week, you can only go when it needs to be, when this work needs to be done. So that's also another application that we can find in the smart cities. And right now, my partner will tell you, more examples for smart
I'm going to
cities.
continue with the Internet of Things in your city. SensorNet system uses battery-powered clamp sensors to quickly measure current online, calculate consumption level, and send that data to a hosted application for analysis. And this significant financial and energy resources are saved, as the clamps can easily identify their tempering issues, general malfunctions, and any installation issues. Another one is light street more efficiently. Uh, this smart lighting system from ECLAT allows the city to intelligently provide the right level of light needed by time of day, season, and weather conditions. Cities have shown a reduction in street lighting energy use by up to 30% using solution like this. In the industry, we have maintain and repair sensor installed inside the cabinet will monitor if any parts have exceeded their design thresholds, and will automatically send reports to owners and manufacturers if they have early predictions on equipment manufacturing can be made with parts, and service maintenance can be automatically scheduled ahead of an actual part failure. Safety first. English offers an electronic system that notifies authorities when a fire extinguisher is locked, missing from a designated location, or when its pressure falls below safe operating levels. Others can be sent directly through an instant email, a phone call, or pager notification to proper agency or supervisor. Finally, we have stop using. Retailers can run real-world A/B tests using networkers, cameras, and sensors like those in shop perception system to detect how customers are engaging with a specific product in the store's layout. Estos son los bloopers.
And for that's all for me.
Yo lo